Here is the answer for the day 2 bell work. Find half of each number in the first column of this chart. So the very first number given is 24. We are asked to find half of 24. Half of 24 is 12. Half of 30, that's 15. Half of -8 is -4. Half of 5 is 2.5. Or you could give the decimal version, 2.5. Half of 2.4 is 1.2. Half of the 2 is the 1, half of the 4 gets you the 2. Half of 2/3 is 1/3. Now the second column, divide each number by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Hopefully you see what's happening here. -8 divided by 2 is -4. Are you seeing the connection to the first column? 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, or the decimal for 2.5. 2.4 divided by 2 is 1.2, and 2/3 divided by 2 is 1/3. The purpose of this bell work question was to reinforce the idea that finding half of a number is the same thing as dividing the number by 2. Finding 1/3 of a number is the same thing as dividing by 3. Finding 1/4 of a number is the same thing as dividing by 4. In Algebra 1 class, when you have to find a certain fraction of a number, that is, when you multiply something by a fraction, sometimes it's helpful to think of it as dividing by a number. And vice versa. Sometimes you're asked to divide by a number. And thinking of that as finding a certain fraction of something can help you figure it out in your head.